Hello everyone, my name is Codays, and this is my first Android tutorial for this channel, and I will show you how to do this the right way. As you can see, horizontal progress bar below the toolbar. It's some back button, title, search button, and menu button. And let's move to Android Studio. In the main activity, just set up the our toolbar that we're going to use. It's just like this. Okay, not okay, just like this. The back button, title, search, menu, and the handler. Okay, the handler shows that after 4 seconds the progress bar will be gone. Okay, that's it. So let's move to activity main.xml. Here I wrap the toolbar and progress bar inside the relative layout with its height of action bar size and width of match parent. Okay, so let's try. If we run this, oh wait, I forgot. Let's add a line of align parent bottom to true, and then style of material progress bar on progress bar horizontal. If we try this, this will show us like this. Let's wait for the Gradle to build. As you can see, our progress bar doesn't show up. Oh, what the hell is that? Okay, we will fix that. Okay, so here we're back in the Android Studio. Let's fix that. Okay, let's wrap it in the up bar layout. Much better height with wrap content. Okay, let's move this line of code inside the up bar layout. Okay, so this will show us that our toolbar will have a shadow below. Okay, and then let's try. As you can see, the progress bar doesn't look good, but the arrow toolbar shows us the shadow. Okay, we're progressing. Let's try to add the terminate to true, and okay, and we should use a library called Shanghai material progress bar to look to see that so that our progress bar look good. Okay, so here we'll use the material progress bar from Shanghai, and then let's add some line of code. So we should add the use eccentric padding to false, and then progress style to horizontal, and then we will change the style to material progress bar horizontal. Okay, let's try. Let's wait for the Gradle to build. As you can see, the progress bar look exactly like this. Wow, not like this gray. Come on. Okay, our progress bar looks like this, exactly like this, and our toolbar looks exactly like this. That's how you do it. Okay, the codes will be, I will add the codes to the link in the description. So thank you guys. If you like it, please subscribe and like this video. Have a productive day.